everyone, so today I'll be sharing with you perfect pav bhaji on tawa. So pav bhaji is a popular Indian street food. So whenever you make it at home, it does not taste like street style. So I'm going to show you my tips and tricks how to make street style pav bhaji at home. So for that we need tomatoes, potatoes and cauliflower. So first of all we are boiling our cauliflower and potato with some water in a pot. So while it's boiling, on the side we'll prepare our Kashmiri red chili. So you need to de-seed them, okay, all the Kashmiri red chili, otherwise they're going to be very spicy. So here I'm de-seeding them, and then they will go with our cauliflower and potato that are boiling. Along with that we'll add some more vegetables, okay. So here I'm taking some carrots, beetroot, some frozen peas. So beetroot you can take the chopped one or grinded one too. I had grinded one available, that's why I'm taking it. Some turmeric and salt. Add tomatoes, ginger, garlic. So let them boil. While they are boiling we are going to chop some peppers. So now our boiling process is done, because now our tomatoes are cooked, potatoes are cooked. So we are going to use the hand blender, but do not mash them really well, okay. You need some chunks. So mash them like all the potatoes and cauliflower, and gently mash our potatoes. They shouldn't be very smooth, okay. It shouldn't be smoothie like this texture, okay. And now we are just going to add some water and leave it on the side. Let's take a different pan now. 1/4 cup of oil, some cumin seed, and our chopped peppers. So whenever you add any wet ingredients, this is how you are going to stir it, otherwise it's going to bounce back the water. So add some Everest pav bhaji masala. This is the brand that I would use to make pav bhaji, so I would highly suggest to use that brand. So now we are going to add our prepared mixture that we prepared earlier. Make sure whenever you add any liquid, please close the lid, otherwise it's going to splatter. So once it's done splattering, we are going to stir it, and now add our coriander, cumin powder, salt, and mash it. This is the masher we use it to make pav bhaji, and that's what the street side vendor use it. So the more the more masher you use, the better your pav bhaji is going to taste, okay. So this is the secret weapon that you need to use to make pav bhaji. So now let's close the lid with some butter and kasturi methi and let it cook. And in the meantime we are also going to mash it. Adjust the water consistency and let it boil. So now towards the end I feel like pav bhaji masala wasn't enough, so I'm going to add some pav bhaji masala, salt, chili, and some amchur powder. Amchur means mango powder. You can also add some lemon or lime juice if you don't have it. And now you can garnish it with cilantro. This is ready. But if you want to eat it like street side flavor one, then you need to use the tawa. You have to use the tawa in order to make the street style pav bhaji, okay. So here I have taken some butter, cilantro, pav bhaji masala, and add our pav bhaji that we prepared earlier in the pot. Make sure you are not going to dump all at once, okay. You are going to take little by little, because that's what street side vendor use. So they put it in the tawa as much as they need, and rest of the stuff can stay on the side or on the tawa, on the side or in a different container. So that's what we are going to use. So we are going to do batch cooking, okay. This is for 2 to 3 people. I'm going to add some butter, add water consistency adjacent. This is how it looks like. You are going to garnish it with some cilantro once it heats up, because over here you have to cook it for 2 minutes, okay, until it gets the consistency right. Now it's ready. So let's make our butter bread. It's also called masala bread, okay. So let's take some pav bhaji, cilantro and butter and toast our bread. Usually they would take like white bread to make to eat it with pav bhaji, but over here I'm taking whole wheat bread. So our bread is toasted, leave it on the side. Now on the other part I'm going to pour our pav bhaji that we prepared earlier, and this is how I'm going to serve it. Now whoever wants to take it, they can take the pav bhaji and bread from here, and they would eat it. So people would eat it like sloppy joe, it's over here is called. So look at this, how delicious it looks. You can garnish it with some cilantro onion and freshly squeezed lime juice. Now you can serve it with bread. So I hope my video was helpful to you. Let me know if you have any questions and concerns.